Ethel Chamomile here. So, in this tutorial, I will show you how to use Collab, Unity Collab. So, Collab is basically like an online backup, so you don't have to worry about losing your progress. And you can also use it to go back to your previous version. So for example, maybe you did a fatal mistake, you can just revert this mistake. You can also use it to um sorry you can also use it to better work with other people in the same project. So like several people can use the same collab, so everyone can have the exact same copy of the project that they can work on. So to do collab, you have to just have to click here the cloud button, and it will direct you to the surface tab over here. And you have to make sure that you are logged in. If you're not logged in, this tab will tell you to. Now go scroll down and click the collab override button. It is currently off, so just click here to turn it on, and Unity will start doing its thing. I already have it set up. I already have my collab set up, so yeah, it's actually from the previous attempt of recording this video. It kind of went horrible. Anyway, now that you have your collab set up, you can click here to check. For example, let me create another folder, tests. Now I have a change over here, right? Something that is not on the server. So the arrow here will become blue, right? That means I have something that I can submit to the server. So let me just submit that task. The comment here, describe your changes here. Well, it's basically where you can like what it does, what it says. Describe your changes. So I've submitted my change, and now it says that I am up to date, and the icon here becomes something like that. I don't know what icon is that. Now, for example, if I now delete the task folder, you can see that it becomes blue again, and the task folder here becomes, well, like this. So maybe that was a mistake. I don't want it deleted. I can just click here to revert the assets. It's reverting, and there you go. I have my task folder back. But what if I delete it and accidentally publish it? Now I can't revert it, right? I can just go here, view history, and go back to where I want to. Last time, so I want to restore my task folder back, and the last submit that has the task folder is this one, right? So I'll just go back to it, and I have the task folder back. Now I can just submit that. Task is back. Publish, and there we go. It's already back in the server. You can also go here, click the assets folder, or any folder, actually any assets over here, and go to collaborate. And you can also publish or refer here. I never actually use the C differences, so I can't explain that. So yeah, so for example, if you have many changes down here that you want to like refer, you can just right click the assets to do it all at once. So that's it for collab. In the next episode, there was actually a request a few days back about going to how to change the background. So, like going to different places. For now, you're at the mountains right here, right? So, yeah, the next tutorial will cover on how to change the background on the go. And so that's it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and leave a like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you next time. Bye bye.